Hello guys, welcome to Java University channel. In today's video, we will talk about TreeMap and show you what is the difference between TreeMap and HashMap. So let's get started. Before that, if you are new to our channel, don't hesitate to subscribe and hit the bell button to receive the latest notification. TreeMap class implements map interface similar to HashMap class, but the main difference between them is that HashMap is an unordered collection while TreeMap is sorted in the ascending order of its keys. So for easier understanding, I will take an example. As you can see here, I already created a HashMap to store the student name and their ID number. So here I will create a TreeMap that is similar to this HashMap, so that we can see the difference in order between them. So here I will change it to TreeMap. Now let's run the program so that we can see the difference in the order of HashMap between TreeMap. So as you can see that we have the HashMap inserted the data in random order. Here we have Cone, Jack, Paul, and Anna. However, when we display the TreeMap content, we got the sorted result in the ascending order of keys. Here we have Anna, then Cone, then Jack, and then Paul. And then we have TreeMap contains only unique element. So both TreeMap and HashMap don't support duplicate keys. If added, it overrides the previous element. And then HashMap allows storing at most one null key and many null values. However, TreeMap doesn't allow a null key but may contain many null values. So let me show that theory for you guys. Here I will input null key and null values. And here I also input null key in the TreeMap and null values. So let's see the difference. So you see that in HashMap it accepted null key and null value, while in TreeMap we will be throw the null pointer exception in the null key here if we display it with a key like long. It will be run. So we cannot set the null key in TreeMap, but we still can have null values. So in summary, we should use a TreeMap if we want to keep our entries sorted, and we use a HashMap if we prioritize performance over memory consumption. Since a TreeMap has a more significant locality, we might consider it if we want to access objects that are relatively close to each other according to their natural ordering. And that's the end of this tutorial. If you guys have any question regarding to TreeMap or HashMap or Java, just comment below. I will answer all of your questions as soon as possible. And that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, please give us a like and comment your opinion below. In the next video, I will talk about the link HashMap in Java. So see you guys in the next video.